Hello learners, in this lesson we are going to learn about multiple linear regression. Many applications of regression analysis involve situations in which there are more than one independent variables. A regression model that contains more than one independent variable is called a multiple regression model. Multiple regression analysis is the study of how a dependent variable y is related to two or more independent variables. Therefore, multiple regression analysis describes and interprets the relationship between several independent variables and a dependent variable. Multiple linear regression analysis attempts to model the relationship between two or more independent variables and a dependent variable by fitting a linear equation to the observed data. Every value of the independent variable x is associated with a value of the dependent variable y. The concepts of a regression model and a regression equation, which we introduced in simple linear regression, are applicable in the multiple linear regression, and the concepts are extended in this case. The equation that describes how the dependent variable y is related to the independent variables x1, x2 up to xp and an error term epsilon is called the multiple regression model. Here p is the number of independent variables. The general multiple linear regression model is y equals to beta 0 plus beta 1 x1 beta 2 x2 plus beta p xp plus epsilon. In the multiple regression model, beta 0, beta 1, beta 2 up to beta p are the parameters and the error term epsilon is a random variable. This model reveals that y is a linear function of x1, x2, xp plus the error term epsilon. The error term accounts for the variability in y that cannot be explained by the linear effect of the p independent variables. The equation that describes how the mean value of y is related to x1, x2 up to xp is called the multiple regression equation. The multiple regression equation is expected value of y equals to beta 0 plus beta 1 x1 plus beta 2 x2 plus beta p xp. If the values of beta 0, beta 1, beta 2 up to beta p are known, the above equation can be used to compute the mean value of y at the given values of x1, x2 up to xp. Unfortunately, these parameter values are not known and need to be estimated from sample data. A simple random sample is used to compute sample statistics b0, b1, b2 up to bp that are used as the point estimators of the parameters beta 0, beta 1, beta 2 up to beta p. Now look at the estimated multiple linear regression equation. The estimated multiple linear regression equation is y hat equals to b0 plus b1 x1 plus b2 x2 plus bp xp, where b0, b1, b2 up to bp are the estimates of beta 0, beta 1, beta 2 and beta p. And here y hat is the estimated value of the dependent variable y. So here you can see a figure which provides a summary of the estimation process for multiple linear regression. First, we have the regression model y equals to beta 0 plus beta 1 x1 plus beta 2 x2 plus beta p xp plus epsilon. And from this regression model, we can get the regression equation, which is expected value of y equals to beta 0 plus beta 1 x1 plus beta 2 x2 plus up to beta p xp. So here, beta 0, beta 1, beta 2 and beta p are the unknown parameters of the regression model. Then we have to collect sample data for the dependent variable and all of the independent variables. In the third box, you can see that the estimated multiple regression equation is y hat equal to b0 plus b1 x1 plus b2 x2 plus dot plus bp(xp). Here b0, b1, b2 up to bp are the sample statistics of the unknown parameters beta 0, beta 1, beta 2 up to beta p. Now we can calculate the values of the sample statistics b1, b0, b1, b2, bp from our sample data, and we can fit our multiple regression equation. b0, b1, b2 and bp are the estimates of beta 0, beta 1, beta 2 and beta p. Now look at the assumptions of multiple linear regression. The relationship between the dependent variable and independent variables is linear. The error term epsilon is a random variable with a mean or expected value of 0, that is, expected value of epsilon equals to 0. The variance of error term is the same for all values of the independent variables x1, x2 up to xp. The values of epsilon are independent. The error term epsilon is a normally distributed random variable. Now look at the estimation method. Ordinary least square method is used to estimate the parameters of multiple linear regression model. In simple linear regression analysis, we have used the ordinary least square method to develop the estimated regression equation that best approximated the straight line relationship between the dependent and independent variable. This same approach is used to develop the estimated multiple regression equation. In this section, I am not going to show you the Wallace estimation method for the multiple linear regression model. Now look at the interpretation of B0 and B1, B2 up to BP. The interpretation of Bj, where j equals to 1 to p, is the expected change in y for 1 unit change in x, j, while the other p minus 1 number of explanatory variables remain constant. The interpretation of B0 is, it is the value of the dependent variable y when the value of the independent variable is 0. So here the value of all the independent variables are needed to be 0. It is of little significance. Here are the merits and demerits of multiple linear regression. First, look over the merits of multiple linear regression. Multiple linear regression helps us to predict trends and future values. Multiple linear regression used to forecast the effects or impacts of changes. Multiple linear regression helps to understand how much the dependent variable changes when we change the independent variables. Multiple linear regression can be used to identify the effect that the independent variables have on a dependent variable. Now look at the demerits of multiple linear regression. Multiple linear regression assumes that each independent variable has a linear relationship with the dependent variable. Multiple linear regression assumes that the independent variables are uncorrelated with each other. Multiple linear regression have some assumptions, and violation of these assumptions produce biased or inefficient estimate.